Take a ride in the 2017 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, trip computer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.